Okay, guys, in this video we'll discuss regarding the science of chanting. So when you are chanting, then chanting is a scientific way, because as Nikola Tesla said, if you wish to understand the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. So every molecule that is vibrating at the subtlest level. So that vibration at the subtlest level, that is like the secret of the universe, which is beyond space and time. There's something like silence which is beyond space and time. Okay, which is happening, which is the ground of space and time, you can say that. like that is the ground of space and time. So that vibration, the chanting is a way, like very subtler. You start from gross level, but as you keep understanding its significance and keep going, then you go to the subtlest level and you can understand that. And the best way is chanting, that you can use your fingers to chant, because you would not be available the mala or that every time, or that might be awkward in public places. So the best way, if you want to chant every moment, and chanting is a gratitude, thankful, and being happy for being alive. So you can chant with help of fingers. You can just finger, you can make that, and you can help with helps of fingers, or that way, or a mental chanting also. But the mental chanting, I would say that that will not be continuous, because somehow your anything you will get. So physical chanting, that will be a bit more better, because that is more easy and convenient. So you can use any word, you can use the thankful word, some words, but the understanding behind that is, you have to become conscious and aware and understand the self. That is the basic fundamental. You can use any word, thankfulness, gratitude, or anything which Hare Krishna, any word you can use. But it's not about word, it's about the there's some people say that there are some words which have some specific things, but it's not about what you can choose any, but the understanding. If you understand that and become aware and conscious, that is more important. So hopefully this video was helpful for you.